Right, sorry about the noise guys, I live on a busy main road. Basically 3 years ago someone came along and stole me caps from the back of me mirrors. I didn't even know they came off, but apparently they do. So what I've done is I've gone and bought some off eBay. They were £9 a piece, but I've had to spray them because I'm not quite sure whether they'll still stay on or not. And what I'm doing is I'm going to put a little bit of stix around the edge. There it is, around the edge, and hopefully that will stop them from nicking it again. We'll see how we go, because I'm not quite sure, and I'm quite sure that they might nick it, but these pattern parts might actually do the trick. So let's see how we get on. Let's see if we have to update this saying that they've nicked them off again. But easily fix, just annoying. Cheers.